Hi guys, this is Nathan. I'm going to show you guys how to pan like the pros. This is what you'll need. You'll need a simple garnet panning set. It will come with a separator, a 14-inch pan, and a 10-inch pan. It will also come with 2 vials, tweezers, and a guzzler, like that. Okay. So, and you will need some dirt. Make sure to dig either down 2 feet or buy some pay dirt. First things first, I take my 14-inch pan and my separator, and I put my separator on top of my 14-inch pan and my water. I take 1 scoop of sand, put it down, and I take another scoop of sand and put it down. Then I take 2 hands and push down to rinse all the stones. There's like some gunk right there, if you can see. And then I take my sifter and I sift, and I just keep doing in this motion. You can go like this, you can go like a circle, front to back or side to side. For beginner, I would prefer side to side like that. And if you want to, you bring it like this and bring it back to get the sand back. Side to side, put it back up, side to side. Once you've got it concentrated down to like more concentrated like sand and gold and black sand, you try to bring it all down. If you've concentrated enough that you can barely see any sand, you can just skip to the end of the video. So right now, I'm going to bring it down and just start to pour it out so I have all my sand and black sand right there. Then I'm going to take my 10-inch pan and I'm going to scoop up some water in my 14-inch pan and I'm going to pour it into my 10-inch pan. When I pour it, it takes some of the black and yellow sand and it puts it into my 10-inch pan. You see there's a little bit. Scoop it up and just keep repeating this until you have like no sand left in your 14-inch pan. Then I sit down my 14-inch pan and I dump out the water of that. And then I just start panning like I did with the other one. Make sure to bang it down when you're at the end because that will bang down the heavier stuff, which is the gold. Now I'm going to keep doing this until I see little to no sand, if you see. Sift. And then once I have it, I put it on about that kind of angle, and I submerge it in water twice, like very quickly. That will take most of the sand out. Do it one more time, and I scoop it up and try to bring most of my sand back. That will leave little to no normal sand. Then I set this and let it float in the water, or you can set it on a hard surface. Then I put some water in, just enough to cover the top. And if you look closely, you can see a little bit of shiny gold. Then I take my guzzler. Here's your guzzler. And then I squeeze it. It might let out a little bit of water. That's okay. Sit down your cap because you don't want to lose your cap. Then I just put it in the water and just let it become its form because that will suck up some of the sand. Then you pull it up a little bit because you don't want to throw out some of your gold. But if you see no shiny gold, I would just dump it back in and maybe repan through it once you get to the bottom of your bucket. Now that I've scooped it all up, you can kind of see it at the bottom. Thank you for watching. Again, this was Nathan, and I was showing you how to pan basically.